Tired of manually updating your Wix website, one page at a time? Then unlock the power of the Wix Content Management System, or CMS, to revolutionize how you handle your website content. Let's get started. First, access your Wix website editor. Then find the CMS icon on the left-hand sidebar. It looks like a database. Click on it to open the CMS Dashboard. Here, you'll see your content collections. Think of these as organized folders for different types of content, like blog posts, products, or testimonials. To create a new collection, click Add Collection. You can either start from scratch or choose a pre-made template. I'm going to pick one, then name it. Click Create Collection to move on. Now, let's add some content. Click Add Item, and you'll see fields based on your collection template. Fill in the information for your item, then click Save. The real magic happens when you connect your CMS to your live pages. Navigate to the page you want to make dynamic. Add a dynamic page element, like a repeater, and connect it to the collection you just created. Customize how the data is displayed, and there it is, automatic updating. Now, any changes you make in the CMS, like updating a blog post or adding a new product, will automatically be reflected on your website. With Wix CMS, you'll update your website with ease, boost your SEO with dynamic content, and keep your website fresh and relevant. Start exploring today.